Before we get into it, I want to say a huge thank you to HP and Intel for partnering with me on today's video. I like my home to look chic, luxe, and well put together 24/7, but I have a confession to make. I'm lazy. So in today's video, I'm sharing some home hacks you need to know ASAP if you are low maintenance but want high maintenance results. We're starting off today's video in the bathroom. So hack number 1 is to leave a squeegee in your shower. So if you have glass doors, this hack is for you because realistically, how often are you going and cleaning those doors? It's okay. I'm not judging you for whatever you're writing in the comments because I promise you, I used to be worse. Now, what you should actually do is leave a squeegee in there because you can clean the shower after you are done showering each and every day. All you have to do is grab the squeegee, which kind of sits in there in like a caddy or on a shelf, and just wipe off all of the soap and scum and all that stuff that kind of got on those glass shelves while you're showering. Because the reality of the situation is maybe some soap ends up on the glass, maybe shampoo ends up on the glass, and then when we don't clean it ASAP, it gets stuck on that glass, and then it's a huge pain and you have to do a full deep clean. Now, is this going to like make it so that you never have to deep clean your bathroom? No, but it's going to decrease the frequency with which you have to do that, which to me is a win. Hack number 2 is to meal plan every single meal. And I know you're probably thinking, Kiva, what does this have to do with home decor? But trust me, it does. Meal planning allows me to keep a pristine kitchen. I don't have any extra pantry items. I don't have any overflow from my pantry onto my kitchen countertops. And I don't have a ton of food waste, which allows me to keep a really pristine kitchen all of the time. To do my meal planning, I use my HP Envy X360 AI laptop with AI accelerating Intel Core Ultra processor. And I do want to say thanks again to Intel and HP for sponsoring today's video. To craft a meal plan for my family using AI, all I have to do is type 5 healthy weeknight recipes plus shopping lists into the prompt or dictate my needs. And within seconds, I get 5 days worth of recipes plus shopping lists, which saves me countless hours every week because I usually spend so much time finding recipes. Then all I have to do is press the copy button and paste the information into my preferred document type. Then I can send that information to my phone, or I can take the HP Envy X360 AI laptop with me to the grocery store and cross off the items as I find them. And honestly, this allows me to speed through the store because I never come home with anything unnecessary and I rarely leave the grocery store missing an ingredient. And when I want to find my own recipes but cut down on reading time, all I have to do is type the prompt, please summarize the recipe in my browser, or paste a link to the recipe from my browser into the prompt, and within seconds, the AI companion provides me with an overview of the recipe so that I get an idea of whether I'm interested in the recipe and whether cooking it is feasible without having to read a 10-page blog post. And you're able to rate the answers the AI companion provides, so it learns your preferences over time, allowing it to better serve as your AI personal assistant. I love that AI will dictate a recipe aloud to you, so you don't waste time flipping through pages or scrolling through a web page. This is just one of the endless capabilities of the HP Envy X360 AI laptop that will make you more productive and save so much space in your kitchen. And of course, you can use a laptop to increase your efficiency around other parts of the home as well. The extensive capabilities of the HP Envy X360 AI laptop with AI accelerating Intel Core Ultra processor has saved me so much time in the kitchen and all throughout my home. I cannot recommend the laptop enough. Click the link in the description box to pick up yours today. Now let's talk about the next home hack. Hack number 3 is to grab a microfiber towel and attach that to a mop. Whatever mop you have, whatever microfiber towel you have. The good thing about like all of the mops these days is they have like a little Velcro piece. So your microfiber towel will attach to that. Then just grab your glass cleaner, put it on that microfiber towel, and you're able to clean the top and bottom and the middle, obviously, of your glass shower doors without having to get a ladder, without having to stand on your tiptoes, without having to get on your knees. I personally don't like having to like bring a ladder into the shower. It's kind of dangerous. I don't like to do it. And I also don't want to get on my hands and knees in the shower. I'm not gonna do it, so then it doesn't get clean. So I love this hack. You're able to get every nook and cranny, and you're able to get it really, really well because of how mops kind of swivel because they're made to be cleaning the floors. And then when you're done, you can just grab your microfiber towel, put it in the laundry machine, and then use it again once you've cleaned it. Now this hack isn't just applicable to the shower and glass doors. You can do the same thing with a different microfiber towel with your walls, because how often do you clean your walls, right? that's something we never think to clean. There's so many things in the home that should be cleaned that we don't always think about. So what I like to do is the same thing. Grab a microfiber towel, put some water on it, put some soap on it, whatever you want to use to clean your walls, and then just give it a good dusting. You don't have to bring out your ladder. You don't have to do anything too arduous. It is really, really quick, and you're not creating any waste with paper towels or anything like that. The next hack is a big one. I want you to start writing the date on a piece of tape whenever you're changing your air filter, your fire alarm batteries, or big things like that. How many times have you woken up in the middle of the night to that chirping sound, that dreaded chirping sound, and then you have to like drive to the store in the middle of the night because you don't have batteries? Well, that will never happen again, because when you write the information on the fire alarm, on the filter, you are good to go. All I do is I grab some painter's tape, I write the date on there, and every time I'm in that area of the fire alarm or the filter, I am reminded of the last time I changed it, so I can be like, okay, Kiva, it's time to do it again. And then once I've written the date on the actual item, so whether that be a filter or a fire alarm, I'll also make a list on my HP NVX 360 AI laptop, just so that I know, hey, you just changed this, and I can keep kind of a running tally so that I'm always aware of these things I need to do in my home. The next hack actually has to do with cleaning again, and this actually has to do with faux and real plants. So something people struggle with all the time is keeping their faux and real plants clean, because things build up dust over time. Just everyday living produces dust, and I hate that for us. So of course you can like get a paper towel and you can dust each individual leaf, or you can try and use one of those dusting wands, but it can be a pain. So I actually like to use dusting gloves. These gloves are amazing because you're able to get things really nice and clean, and you get great surface area coverage. This is really great for faux plants, real plants, any plant that really has like a big waxy leaf. This is going to be a game changer for you. I also like to use this on mirrors and on pieces of artwork, and also on light bulbs. For really delicate items, I think dusting gloves are really wonderful because you can get into all the nooks and crannies with a lot of tact and precision, which is not something you can do with like a normal dusting like entity. You're kind of just like waving it around and hoping. You can see here I'm able to change these light bulbs really easily, and I love that with dusting gloves, you don't really need any type of cleaning solution. You're just able to use the microfiber nature of it to get everything nice and clean and dust free, and this prevents me from having really dusty, crusty looking light bulbs and mirrors and artwork. This is the only way I've ever found to really keep things streak free and looking good all the time. Plus, when you're done with them, again, you can just throw them in the washing machine, they get clean, and use them again. Another hack that's just going to grant you such peace of mind is actually keeping furniture markers on hand. So if you don't know what a furniture marker is, it's basically a marker that you can use on furniture, and pretty much every store sells them, so you can get black, brown, oak, whatever. And I love to keep these on hand because scuffs are inevitable. You should be living in your home, and it's like totally okay if something gets scuffed. But we don't want to leave it like that. We don't want to like go buy like a big jug of stain from the store that's messy and we don't end up taking care of it. So something I like to do is just keep furniture markers on hand. You can see my dining table. It looks awful right here. I don't know what I did to it. I think I moved something without picking it up because I didn't put felt pads on the bottom. Another hack right there. But with this furniture pen, I was able to bring this piece of furniture back to life, so I can live and I can live freely without having to worry about my furniture. And this is especially great if you have ones that match your floors as well. And you know something that takes so much time as an adult that no one ever told me? Cleaning the trash can takes a decent amount of time. Keeping your trash can smelling good, at least. I can't stand having a smell of food when I am not eating. So what I like to do is actually put scent beads in the base of my trash can. I know you're like, Kiva, that is so silly, but it is a total game changer. Literally all you do is you get the same scent beads that you use in your laundry and put them in like a little plastic baggie at the bottom of your trash can. Then I like to add maybe a little baking soda as well, or baking soda to the bottom of the trash can, and it just makes sure that the trash can is always smelling good. You're not kind of like inundated with the everyday smells of food and waste and things like that, which I love because it drives me bonkers. And something I learned recently as well, if you kind of want to avoid having to clean the trash can like on a regular basis, is to have an additional trash bag in there, and then you have one that comes in and out for your everyday waste or your every other day waste and stuff like that. You still have the scent beads at the bottom, and you have that kind of protective trash can so that if something does break, it breaks into that bag, not into the big bag, and then that bag can just like kind of stay in there until something does break. So you're not wasting it, you're not putting 2 bags in every time. But this is a great way to avoid those unwanted smells and kind of keep it moving. But that is it for today's video. Those those are some home hacks you need to know ASAP if you are low maintenance but want high maintenance results. My home stays in pristine condition and I am so happy for it. And if you want to give the HP Envy X360 AI laptop with AI accelerating Intel Core Ultra processor a try, just click the link down in my description box to shop. It is going to help you so much with your productivity in your home, in your job, and elsewhere, and it's going to really be a game changer for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.